If your Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't making any sound when messages arrive, there are a few quick settings you can check to bring your alerts back. Start by checking your sound mode. When your phone is on vibrate or mute, message tones won't play at all. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the quick settings panel. Then make sure sound mode is enabled. Next, review your notification volume. If the slider is set too low, your phone won't play message alerts even if sound mode is on. Open Settings, then tap Sounds and Vibration. Tap Volume, and raise the notification slider to a clear audible level. Then check your Do Not Disturb settings. DND can silence incoming message sounds unless your app is added as an exception. Going back to the main settings screen, tap Notifications, then tap Do Not Disturb. Turn it off or add your messaging app to the exceptions list. You should also take a look at your Bluetooth status. If earbuds, speakers, or a smartwatch are connected, your phone might be sending notification sounds to those devices instead of the phone's speaker. Turn off Bluetooth temporarily to test it. Finally, configure your Messages app notification settings. Sometimes the sound is disabled inside the app even if system settings are correct. Tap and hold the Messages app, then tap App Info. Tap Notifications and select Notification categories below. Choose New Messages and make sure sound is enabled with the tone selected. Once you adjust these settings, your Galaxy S25 Ultra should start playing message sounds normally again. If this video helped you bring back your message alerts, give it a like, or watch another quick guide for more helpful Galaxy tips.